Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to protect Google Docs from editing step by step. This is useful when you want to share documents without allowing others to make changes. First, open your Google Docs file and make sure the content is ready for sharing. Click the Share button at the top right to open sharing and permission settings. Under People with Access, click the drop-down next to their name and select Viewer or Commenter instead of Editor. This prevents unwanted changes while still allowing feedback. If sharing via link, click Change to anyone with the link and set access to Viewer or Commenter. This ensures that anyone opening the link cannot edit the document. For extra security, click Settings in the Share window and disable. Editors can change permissions and editors can share. After adjusting permissions, test in another account or incognito window to confirm editing is disabled. Optionally, you can also download the document as a PDF to prevent any changes outside Google Docs. And that's how to protect Google Docs from editing in 2026. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.